Hi my gardening angels, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Jess, and today we are going to be planting up this really nice planter that I bought for spring, but also I really bought it to sit in my front yard or on my front patio for the whole season. And I bought a Black Hills Spruce, which I'll show you here in just a second, and then I'm going to be planting some really pretty just flowering annuals around the bottom and replacing those each season as well. All right, so this is the little Black Hills Spruce that we got. It was $24.98 at Lowe's, and this is native to our area because we live in the Black Hills. It's just a very soft evergreen, and I'm going to be planting it in this container, which I also got from Lowe's. And then we have some really cute violas. This is a Sorbet Beaconsfield, and then this one I think is the Cool Wave variety pansies, and they're just this really dark purple, and I thought that would just look really good for Easter. We're gonna plant them up in this planter here that sits on our front patio, and I will show you the results. It all planted up. I think this is turning out really cute. I am going to now go and kind of prune it a little bit. So I'm going to kind of dehead the dead and spent flowers. This will promote a lot of new growth, and if you continuously do this throughout the season, they'll put out a lot more flowers. So this is where we're at for the spring patio. Very simple, but I feel like it's a little bit elegant as well, and kind of goes with our style. And then all of the tulips will be coming up, and these purple pansies and violas will just complement them beautifully. I'll show you that here in a second. All of these are going to be that dark purple tulip, and they'll just look great with it. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and click the like button. It really supports our channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.